So let me just make sure you're aware. This one here is again going to be found in Unit 5, Distance, Rate, and Time. All right, so first things first, read the question, and it's going to say right here, how far apart will the planes be after 9 hours? How far apart will the planes be after 9 hours? So we want the distance, how far apart. D equals blank. After T, time, equals 9 hours. You know, I can immediately start saying D and T because when they say how far apart after this much time, I'm already gearing my head toward a potential distance, rate, time question. And even if it's not a distance, rate, time question, this isn't wrong. Calling it a distance is not wrong. Calling 9 hours a time, not wrong either. Totally fine. It's what's going to happen when we read the information that's going to reveal to us what we're actually supposed to do. So here it says, hey, two planes begin in the same position and travel in the same direction. Plane A and plane B travel this many miles an hour and that many miles an hour respectively. Now, how fast they're traveling doesn't matter as much as what these planes are doing. Everyone, it says right here, two planes begin from the same position and travel in the same direction. My party people, what have I taught you when you're dealing with distance, rate, time questions and you have two objects moving at the same time in the same direction? What have I taught you? Yes, we have got to subtract. That's the goal here, because again, if we have one plane going in this direction and then another plane going in the same direction, well, guess what? If you're trying to figure out how far apart they are, you are going to be excluding what they both cover, and all you care about is right here, the gap in between. This is what you care about. So to get that, you have to subtract. If this plane goes 5 miles and this plane goes 3 miles in the same direction, 5 miles minus 3 miles means 2 miles apart. That's what that means. So here, because we have two planes traveling in the same direction and starting at the same point, we will say, hey, there's 300 miles an hour and 510 miles an hour. We will subtract. So our true rate is going to be 510 minus 300, and that is 210 miles per hour. Again, for those of you who are having a little bit of trouble wrapping our heads around that, Unit 5, Arithmetic Reasoning. Arithmetic Reasoning, Unit 5. Distance, rate, and time. That's where you will find that, my math party people. So, before I continue, quick little pulse check. Are we good with what we have so far? Are we good with what we've uncovered? Perfect. Now, let's go ahead and solve. So, remember that our formula is going to be distance equals rate times time. So let's take this, move that over here behind my big old head, and let's set it up. Distance equals rate times time. The distance that we're trying to achieve is, well, the answer that we're looking for. Our rate is going to be 210, and our time is 9. Booyah. From here, 210 times 9, what's that going to be? 200 times 9 is 1800. Well, 10 times 9 is 90. So it would be 1,890 miles as the final answer. D equals 1890. And we are good. Booyah. So before you pay any huge amount of dollars or money to anybody claiming that they can help you pass the ASVAB, you should always consider what they offer for free. With us, we're going to be offering our full program for free for a full week. All you got to do is do that right there or scan that QR code and you'll get access to all of our classes, practice problems, courses, everything for a full week, so you know exactly how it works and you have the exact confidence that you need to raise your score. Get started now. I'll see you in there.